Guys, what if I say that you can go on a world tour sitting in your room only and at the next moment enjoy your lunch or dinner with your family and friends? Not able to believe me? Guys, I'm not joking. This will be possible soon with the help of Metaverse. नाम तो सुना होगा ना? नहीं? Let me explain you. Guys, in the series of Logic Bees, we will be sharing you all the big secrets and the logic behind the new technology trends. So, let's get started with the first episode of Logic Bees. Hello and welcome back to Fingertips. Today in this video, I will be sharing everything about Metaverse. What it is, how it works, what are its features and the secret behind it. So, let's begin. Guys, Metaverse has the power that will enable you to go anywhere at any time in seconds, but not in reality in artificial 3D world. You can enter this world sitting in your room at your couch with a special headset or glasses. Not only that, you can study, go shopping and almost do everything that you can do in real world but at the comfort of your home. Don't you think it's an amazing technology that would allow you to enter in a whole new world just with a headset? You may find it a bit weird, but it is soon going to become reality in just 10 to 12 years. Now, let's see what exactly it is. Guys, you might be using Facebook regularly, right? But this is now called Meta. Mark Zuckerberg changed the name to Meta because Metaverse is more than just the dream for him. Zuckerberg says that Metaverse is the next evolution for social networking. If we move on to its meaning, then the word Metaverse is made of two words, meta and verse. Meta is a Greek word that means beyond, while verse is taken from the word universe. Basically, it is a 3D enabled digital space, you can say artificial world, that uses concept of virtual reality, augmented reality and other advanced internet technologies. But as said before, you will need some gadgets and latest technologies. Among them, first is virtual reality headset. It is a digital device same as your mobile phone, which you need to wear on your eyes and ears. After wearing this, you can enter this world of Metaverse. Suppose if you are watching a movie wearing this device, you will feel like as if you are a part of the movie. Second is augmented reality. Guys, augmented reality adds some artificial elements in your real world. For example, if a worker wants to know how the machine works, then he just need to put on smart glasses and he will be able to see the working of machine in real time. Apart from this, you will need 5G connection. Now, as you know that it is a huge virtual world, it is but obvious that huge amount of data will be uploaded and downloaded. So, high speed of internet is needed. Hence, it is the most important technology. Moreover, to buy or sell anything, you will need cryptocurrency. Don't worry about the safety and privacy because Mark Zuckerberg is highly focusing on security and hence he used blockchain technology in it. Now, talking about the working, then the Metaverse comprises of 7 different layers, with each layer influencing and affecting different aspects of the user experience. The first layer is about the experience. Guys, in this layer, you will have high definition access to different zones like games, esports, theatre, shopping centers and more. In a nutshell, it is all about the 3D experiences that you will have in the world of Metaverse. The second layer is discovery. Same as the first layer is all about experience, this layer is all about discovering new things. Here you would be able to explore different apps, shops, even restaurants. And not only this, you can also engage with users around the world. This is a great way to boost community engagement. Moving on to the third layer, which is the creator economy. Suppose you want to take a part in an expo that is in Dubai. Then obviously you will need your own avatar, your shop to participate in it. Then this layer will help you out to create your own avatar and shop based on your likes and dislikes so that you get a personalized and good experience for the users. This is the magic of the creator economy layer. Now you can easily enjoy the expo. Now the fourth layer is about special computing. Now as in the third layer, you created your own avatar, your own shop in the Dubai Expo. But what if you want to buy something new from a different shop? Say for example a pair of clothes. Then this layer will help you to imagine yourself in that outfit. Or suppose in the same expo, your friend has also participated in it and he suddenly calls you out, "Hey bro, how are you?" Then this layer will help you out to recognize his or her voice. Guys, special computing is nothing but the merge of two technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality. Now moving on to the fifth layer, which is decentralization. Guys, when you are using any app or software, then there are certain rules and regularizations and also an authority for it. But Metaverse is completely opposite than it. It is based on decentralized system where you are free to do anything without any rules and regularizations. In short, you are free to do anything in this virtual world with the help of this layer. Coming to the sixth layer, which is about human interfacing. Guys, this is a very important layer that helps you to create your own real 3D avatar with the same expressions, same gestures and your features. With this layer, you can enjoy your own clone in the virtual world. Now at last the seventh layer, that is the infrastructure layer. Guys, this layer helps to create virtual complex technology infrastructure in the world of Metaverse. For example, if you are using 5G network here, then you will be able to use virtual network. Talking about the hardware, then it will be far your imagination. There you will be able to use virtual devices like phone, tabs and other things. Guys, now all these technologies exist individually, but to bring them together to create a perfect metaverse would take time. With this, there will be also rise in the demand of data scientists, blockchain developers, artificial intelligence engineers and more. So for a future-proof career, you can consider these fields. You can even explore our upskill programs. So, सोच मत upskill कर. Thank you for watching this video. For more such updates, subscribe to Fingertips.